Wiener-Kun, 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 Wiener-Kun.
What are you doing to our school? Even if you come from another country, this is going too far. Vampire? Are you crazy? That's no reason to flood the entire school.
Over there? Oh, it's just a closet. But if there's something in this closet... Never mind, nothing's there. But maybe if we wait for something to come out of the closet? Kapow! I told you something was there! Oh my god, you were right!